For today's quick tip, we're going to go over a quick way to get to websites when you're browsing the web. This tip's going to work great for any .com website. So in any browsing session, and this is going to work in any major browser, you'll go into the address bar, the bar here at the top of the browser, and all you got to do is type the primary domain. So let's say I wanted to get to Google's web page. All I have to do is type Google, and then what's pretty neat is hit Control Enter, and then it's going to take me straight to that page. So again, let's say I want to go to Facebook. Do the same thing, Control Enter, and it'll take you right there. So it's that simple. So just on the keyboard, Control plus Enter key or the return key at the exact same time, and then I'll add all the HTTP piece, the www dot, and then the .com at the end. So it's that simple. Control Enter, just type the domain, and you're good to go.